single source. So while including the next vertex into the network, so if any alternative path is available, so then I have to take that shortest path by including that one. So that is why it is called as ordering parallelism. So by including the vertices, I need to calculate the minimum distance between source to destination. So this is the main. These are the way. Every time I have to build a vertex from V0 to the destination U while including the vertices. So this concept I will explain through the corresponding example. So take this one. This is our textbook example. This is the graph, weighted graph. So that paths are exist from V0 to V2, 10 units, and again V2 to V0, 20 units. So like this, V0 to V1. This is the weighted graph. So that will be represent by using the cost adjacent matrix format like this. Here V0 to V0 there is no self loop, that is why cost is 0. So V0 to V1 50. So V0 to V1 is 50. V0 to V2 10, like this. V0 to V4 only 3 edges here, 1 2, these 3 are the out degree is 3. So the 3 costs are V1 V2 and V4. So this is the representation of adjacent matrix format. So the given graph is represented like this. So by using this graph, I have built the path from V0 to remaining all, that is V1 V2 V3 V4 V5 like this. So I need to calculate the distance from single source to remaining all edges, remaining all vertices. This is the main intention of the Dijkastra algorithm. So in this, so first randomly choose the vertex V0. This is the starting vertex, single source. So first step I have to calculate the cost from V0 to the corresponding connected vertices. Check this one, V0 to V2, V0 to V2, V0 to V2 is the cost, because 3 possibilities are there, 1, 2, 3. So from 3 minimum cost is 10. 10 is nothing but this is. So the distance for from V0 to V2 is only 10. So one edge is calculated. So corresponding from V2, the destination V is comes to V0 by using the path. So this is the find operation. So that is parent is V0. So the cost from V0 to V2 is 10. Only single vertex. Next step, I have to check from V2. Next, I have to check, that is the V0 to V2 is included. This edge is included. Cost with cost. Next step, from V2. So next, I have to calculate the distance to the adjacent vertex. That means by including the adjacent edge, I have to calculate the distance from V0 to the remaining vertices. So V2 is completed. So next V3. Next V3. V3 is cost is, there is no direct from V0 to V3, that is why by biasing V0 to V2, V2 to V3, V0 to V2, V2 to V3. So that is V3 to V2 via V0. The cost is 10 plus 15, that is the total cost is 25. So the cost is V0 to V3, that is V0, V2, V3. Cost is 25. So the corresponding distance from V0 to V3 is 25. Next, I have to calculate V0 to V1. V0 to V1. So in the direct path is 50. Direct path is 50. But I included V2, V3. Already I included the vertices V2, V3 in the ordering subset. That is, by using this path, the cost is 10 plus 15 plus 20, 45. So minimum cost is 45. That is, the distance of V1 is 45 only. So even though here the direct path is 50 is there, by using bias concept or relaxing edge concept, the cost is 45 only. So that is why distance of V1 is 45. Next, so now then I calculate the V2 completed, V1 completed, V3 completed. Next, V4. Next I have to calculate V4. The cost of V4. So you know the cost of V0 to V0 0. V2 is 10. This is the minimum cost. V1 is 45. V3 is 25. So from the existing vertices, what is the minimum cost? From V0 to V4 is 45. V2 V4 is 55. 45 plus 10 55. From V3 to 25 plus 5, 30 60. From 3 45 is minimum. That is the cost of V4 is 45. The distance of V4 is 45 units. The distance of V4 is 45 only. So the V4 is included. V4 included. So next, I have to check the V5. V5 is there is no path to remaining vertices to the V5. That is, its distance is infinite. Its distance is infinite. So that means there is no path to V6. Only one way path is there from V6 V5 to remaining vertices, but not remaining vertices to the V5. That is why its cost is infinite. So this is the way to calculate the distance from the single source to remaining vertices. So final step is, so what I calculated by using this algorithm like this. So initially V0 to V1. So V1 cost is V0 cost itself, it is the that one, it is a 0 because it is the self vertex, that is V0 V1. V0 to V1 path is V0 to V2, V2 to V3, sorry, V0 to V2, V2 to V3, V3 to V1. Cost is 45, but it is the less than the 50. That is why I choose this path to reach the node V1. So V0 to V2, this is, that is only 10 path, that is the direct path is there, that is V0 to V3, that is 10 plus 15, that is the 25 is the cost for the to reach the V3 vertex. V0 to V4. So from this direct path is there, that is the 45. Remaining path gives the very high cost, that is it is the 45, that is the cost of floor to reach that vertex. Next V5 is infinite. There is no path to this in this way. That is why there is no chance to reach the vertex V5. So only indirect, so that means reverse is there. So the cost of V5 is infinite. That means so unable to visit or reach the vertex V5. So this is the concept of Dijkstra algorithm. Dijkstra algorithm. So that is, this is the algorithm for that one. So in this algorithm, so initially from 1 to n vertices, this is initialization. All vertices not visited initially. So initial cost is also that one, cost of VA. So next, one vertex is included, the corresponding distance is added to the distance V vertex, the distance V vector. That means corresponding weights of each vertex. So the from next vertex onwards, that means V1 is first vertex taken it as a source. From second onwards, determine the n minus 1 paths from the V. From this, we have to identify the minimum cost vertex, that one be included into the solution space. Suppose once we reach the any vertex, that one we say it as the U. That means U is true. So once the corresponding vertex included in the solution space, you simply mark it as the visited. That means true. So on that way, I have to calculate it. Suppose by including the intermediate vertex, if the weight is decreased, so like from this graph, so V0 to V1 is direct path is there, 50 is there. So by including the V2 and V3, the cost is 45. So 45 is better than the 50. So here I have to use the concept of relaxing edge. This is the updating distance. It is simply named as the relaxing edge. So that means each W adjacent to the U with S of W is false. So do this is the relaxing edge. The meaning of relaxing edge. That means update the path with respect to intermediate values. So that is the algorithm, the shortest path algorithm. Shortest path algorithm. So that is Rajashree. Yama. Saikat.
Yes, sir.
Can you try this example?
Okay, sir. I'll just try it, sir.
Okay, each and everything available on the screen, no problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right.
So at first, as 1 and 1 is taken for the row and the column I and j, as I don't have any kind of loop, so it's a self loop, so 0 is taken, sir. And for 2, that is 1 to 2 is 50, the right side, and that is the cost of the length, cost of the length from 1 to 2. Then next is
Cost
one,
or
sir,
Saikat, that means
shortest path.
short cost or distance or weight, any words you can use, or link weight.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right.
And for from 1 to 3, as it is on the screen, it's 30, sir, the cost. And from 1 to 4 it's 100, and 1 to 5 it's 10, sir. And coming to the second
Okay,
one,
this is the adjacent matrix format for the given graph, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, finally you calculate the represent the in the adjacent matrix format. So
Exactly,
now
sir.
we are start the tracing by using the single source or discuss the algorithm.
Yes, sir.
With the one is the source, right?
Short. Yes, sir. Source to
Ah,
destination.
right. So from the vertex 1, I need to calculate the distance to all vertexes from the 1. So for 1, the degree is 4, right?
Yes, sir.
So next you need to calculate the distance to all vertices which are connected to 1. Right?
Yes,
1
sir.
to 5, cost is 1, destination. That means the cost at the node 5, the cost is 10 from the 1.
Okay. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Right. Next.
From 1 to 2, it's the cost is 50, comma 1. That is 50, which is the cost, and 1 is it's coming from the node 1, sir.
Right.
And same for the 3, 4, and 5, sir. Like casual and
4 and 5, right.
yes, sir. It's same, sir.
Which edge you have to choose?
Sir?
From these 4, which vertex you will include in the solution?
Sir, the vertex which is the shortest length, sir, with the shortest length one, sir.
Which one?
1 to 5, sir.
Yes, that is in that, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. How we will get the 1 to 4 is the actually 1 to 4 is 100 comma 1, right?
Yes, sir.
But you that strike that one, after that you represent 20 comma 5.
Yes, sir, because it's coming from the vertex 1, sir.
From vertex 1, it is cost is 100, right?
Yes, sir.
What you wrote 20 comma 5.
Because sir, we are taking from the vertex 1 to vertex 5 and then from vertex 5 to vertex 4, na, sir.
Yes,
So 10
that
plus
is
10,
that is
20
the
and it's coming from vertex 5.
yes, that is the concept relaxing edge.
Yes, sir.
Yes, relaxing edge means while
Yes, sir.
including the vertices, near vertices, by using the vertices, if you got the less cost, minimum cost, that is cost as the relaxing edge. This is the relaxing edge.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir. Sir, what does
So
U
from
represent over there, sir?
what?
U, sir. U equal to 5 represents.
Vertex 5 is chosen. Yeah, that one you
Okay.
done, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are done same job.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of this one?
Sir, that represents ki one is having no cost because it's having a self loop, not self loop, but then there is no
Self
loop
vertex,
towards it,
not
sir.
self
Yeah,
loop.
self
Self
vertex.
vertex.
Yes, sir. Self
So it
vertex.
is the weight. It is a vertex, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next step. What you understand from this? This one is included.
Yes, sir. So
Yes.
from here, we have to for the first one, like for the third one, sir, we have to just find out the. Hmm.
Saikat. From this,
Yes,
which
sir.
one is the minimum cost?
From the
From
second one,
5.
sir.
Yeah, this is the actual previous. 20 is there. 30 is there.
30.
50 is there.
Sir,
Already you include
for
the
yes, sir.
already already fifth vertex is included.
Yes, sir.
Next, you may choose from 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So second one will
From
be
this
the fourth one, sir. Like the vertex 4.
fourth vertex, right?
Yes, sir.
That is choose that one.
U
Choose the
equal.
vertex 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
By
Got it, sir.
choosing this vertex 4, is there any relaxing edge or relaxing vertex?
Um, relaxing vertex, sir.
So from here is there.
Yes,
You are
sir.
at 4.
4, sir.
So
Sir,
remaining what is at 2, 3 only.
so then which is the relaxing vertex, sir?
Yeah, this step is completed. For the next step, is there any relaxing vertex? So already included 1 to 5 is calculated, 1 to 4 is calculated. Next we need to
Yes, sir.
calculate 1 to 1 to 3 only,
Okay.
right?
Yes, sir.
1 to 2, 1 to 2 is 50, 1 initially.
Yes, sir.
By including 154, its cost
It's
is from
40.
4, its cost is 20, 5 only.
Yes, sir.
From 20 to 2 is 20 cost is there.
Yes, sir. From 1 to 5 and then 5 to 4, then 4 to 2. So it's
So
20,
then
sir.
we will
Sorry,
get
40.
4.
Yes, sir.
So its relaxing vertex is that is this edge is relaxing edge. Relaxing. That means optimizing the distance between the corresponding. Then at the path to 1
Then,
to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 2.
yes, sir.
Right.
So then which is the relaxing vertex, sir? Relaxing edge is
This
this
is
one, but
the
then which is the
edge is relaxing edge. This vertex is relaxed vertex.
okay? 2, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir.
That movement is known as relaxing.
Okay, sir. Like depending on what we have to choose, sir. Like why are we just going from 1 to 5, then 5 to 4, then 4 to 2? Just because U is 4, that's what, sir.
U is 4 is
4. U is equal to 4. That's what. Are we going from 1 to 5, 5 to 4, then 4 to 2?
1 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 2. So here we
Yes, sir.
need to focus on the cost.
Okay.
So actually 1 to 2 direct path is there, but its cost is 50.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you have a path from your home to college is direct path is 80 kilometers by using the Suchitra and Bhaina, if it is a less cost, then which one you will prepare?
The less path, sir.
Shortest path only, na?
Shortest path. Yes, sir.
That is the same.
Yes, sir. Got it,
But
sir.
here we need to include the multiple intermediate nodes. That is called as IJK. This is the I. This is the J. IJK means intermediate nodes. Destination through I comma J comma K from source transportation itself. It is the definition of algorithm. So
Yes, sir.
while
Got it,
writing
sir.
any algorithm, you are using the variables I comma J comma K na.
Yes, sir.
Right. What is the next step? So next 1, 5, 4, 2 are included. Remaining 3. Is there any
Um,
relaxing?
3 is left, sir.
Only 3 is left. So from 3,
Yes, sir.
2 to cast. Right.
From 2 to 1 and 1 to 3 we can go, sir.
2 to.
Sir, which one, sir? Fourth one or third one, sir?
Already from this 5, 4 is there. 4 is completed.
Acha, acha.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So next which one you have to choose? 2 vertices are there. 2 is there. 3
Yes,
is
sir.
there.
3 is there.
From 2 vertex, second vertex, third vertex. The cost of
Yes, sir.
3 is 30. The cost of 2 is 40.
40.
So next which one you have to choose?
The shortest path, sir. Like 3, sir.
3. That one you have to select.
Okay.
By including this one, is there any optimal cost for the remaining vertices or existing vertices?
I
From
didn't get it,
3.
sir.
So already included the 33 na.
Yes, sir.
So the cost from 1 to 3 is 30.
Yes, sir.
So for 1 to 2 is the 40.
Yes, sir.
By including third vertex, the cost is 30 plus 5, 35 only.
Yes, 35.
With the relaxing vertex, 3. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So the final cost for
Vertex
next
2.
I have to choose the only one vertex that is included into the solution space, right?
Yes, sir.
Completed. So finally, what is the cost from 1 to remaining vertex? 1 to 2. Cost is
35, sir.
35. Path is 2 to 3, 3 to 1.
2 to 3. Yes, sir. 2 to 3, 2 to 4.
The cost for 2, this one. Cost for 3, only one path, that is direct
1.
path. There is no intermediate.
Yes, sir.
Only 30, right?
Yes, sir.
Cost for 4,
From 5, like from vertex 5 to vertex 1, then the cost is 20, sir.
20, right?
Yes, sir.
Cost is for 5.
For 5, cost is 10, sir.
Okay. That's finally got these are all the available, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you understand from this table? That means you calculated the distance from single source, that is 1 to remain all vertices, right?
Yes, sir.
That is the single source shortest path algorithm.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So Saikat, again I will go to the algorithm. Once again you will read that one.
Okay, sir.
So what just I explain what, then I will explain to you that one. This is your algorithm, Saikat.
Yes, sir.
So initially, once again I will explain the algorithm. Check this one.
Okay, sir.
Initially, you don't visit any vertex. Initially, not
Yes,
started yet. S of I means you will not visit any. So
Unit
just
vertex.
we include the one vertex V visited.
Yes, sir.
From this, what we'll choose from the vertex V for existing paths, we need to choose the minimum cost vertex.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
edge. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then it will put the it is a true visited. So in previously we have done 1 to 5 is there, the path 10.
Yes, sir.
So that is the solution space, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you have to repeat the same process to all. So in case of any relaxing vertex is there, distance of W for vertex by using this intermediate with the intermediate vertices, distance of U, that is means 5. Like suppose if you want to calculate the 1 to 4, 1 to 4 is the 50 or 100. Suppose by using the that one,
Yes, sir.
that one. So 1 to 4. Suppose if its cost is greater than by sum is greater than the direct path, then what will be do? Simply relaxing, right?
Yes, sir.
Where is that? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is relaxing. That distance will be updated
Got it, sir.
through corresponding intermediate vertex, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the simple way to represent algorithm. What you have done in the graph, that will be represented in the algorithm,
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
right?
But the algorithm is a bit confusing, sir. Like, kind of.
Again, can I explain
Like the
again?
graph is simple, sir. Yes, sir.
Take the graph. What you will do initially, you can't visit any vertex.
For the first step. Yes, sir.
So simply you are starting. S of I is equal to all are false means S of I is equal 0 means not visited,
Okay, sir.
not started. So you start from the vertex V, that is source.
Hmm.
That
So
one
should
include in the true means include in the solution space.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I include single source, its distance cost is 0, not visit the that adjacent vertices.
Yes, sir.
From first one is included. From second vertex onwards, I need to check the minimum path.
Exactly, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Remaining path. From this, which one you have to select? Choose you from among these vertices, not in S, but already not visited. Yes, suppose
Yes, sir. Got
there.
it, sir.
So from 3 are there. So from 3, you have to choose which is the minimum cost.
Minimum cost. Yes, sir. Got it.
So which is minimum cost edge is identified. Corresponding vertex is included in the solution space.
Okay, sir.
So after that, we have to check any relaxing vertex or edge is there. Yes, previously check for the 1 to 2, has 2 times it is relaxed.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
right.
sir.
This concept is this one. This is a simple way to write the algorithm. What you have done on the example, that will be right in the algorithm format. This is simple way.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So this is the complexity for that one. The complexity for one. First we understand this one. Tomorrow I will explain one more example. Then I will explain the complexity. I will get this one. Mostly it's the complexity is n square. If perfectly implement that one, you will get n plus m log n. Same what you have explained. This is the different way to represent. Next, this is example from the textbook. Sometimes you will get this example. Today I will send to your CR. You will try Psychathvar also.
Okay, sir.
And its solution is this one. This is the ordering format. This is the subset format. 3 formats are there. So if you will get, no problem at all. Otherwise, I will explain. So this is. Any doubts from single source shortest path? Paradi,
Yes, sir.
did you get?
Yes, sir.
No. Okay, I will send the document to you by today only. You will go through it. Then, if you have any doubts, then in the next. Okay, you will ask in the next class. Paradi, with Dijkastra algorithm, the syllabus is finished
Entire syllabus, sir.
for the first half.
Okay, okay.
2.5 units. First unit, fourth unit, and second unit, first half.
Okay, sir.
Most of your classmates are asking revision.
Sir, you take quiz. Revision you'll do, they'll not listen because we don't listen, sir. You take quiz, sir.
Quiz.
Yes, sir. Pop quiz, sir. Otherwise, sir, we will all put on mute.
Okay. So next class, we'll finish the single Dijkastra algorithm with one more example. Then I will assign some work to you. Then I will finish.
Wonderful, sir.
Okay. Any doubts from your side? Rajashree,
Yes, sir.
my example. Can you able to see? This is a textbook example.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can you able to explain or not? You will try.
Sir, I will try tomorrow, sir. I'll read once. You
Next.
send the PDF, sir, once.
Yes, I will send. This is the question. This is the given adjacent matrix. This is the solution. These two graphs that I will send to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But you need to identify how we will get these values. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. You have to, if possible, if it is possible, then you will prepare your own PPT. The step-by-step manner.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Twenty-three.
Sir.
E2.